In an economy filled with uncertainties, one question stands out. Can Trump really fire the current chairman of the Federal Reserve, Jerome Powell? This doubt is not just about presidential power, but touches on one of the pillars of U.S. economic policy, the independence of the country's largest monetary institution. In times of high interest rates and volatile financial projections, the possibility of a confrontation between the White House and the authority of the Fed could be a decisive factor for the future of the American and global economy. But, after all, is this even possible? Or is this more of a symbolic dispute than a real one? Over time, the chairman of the Federal Reserve has become a central figure in guiding U.S. monetary policy. Powell's role, leading an institution whose main function is to ensure the country's economic stability, is of utmost importance. However, the question that lingers is, to what extent does the president have the power to interfere in the decisions of this independent institution? The Federal Reserve has legally guaranteed autonomy to make economic decisions without direct political pressure, and any attempt to alter this balance could have significant repercussions. The central point of this issue is the law governing the presidency of the Federal. According to legislation, the President of the United States can dismiss a Fed governor, including the chairman, but only for specific reasons, such as misconduct or failure in their duties. This principle, aimed at ensuring the institution's independence, is crucial for the functioning of the economy. The concern to prevent immediate political interests from affecting long-term economic decisions is what underpins this legal protection. In this context, the idea that Trump could simply dismiss Powell encounters a series of legal obstacles that make this possibility more remote than many imagine. The structure of the Federal Reserve also works against the idea that the president can easily remove its chairman. The Fed is composed of 7 governors, all appointed for 14-year terms, meaning that even if the president wanted to change the leadership, he would need very solid reasons to justify such an action. Moreover, if the president were to attempt such a move, there would be significant resistance from both legislators and the financial market itself, which has deep confidence in the Fed's autonomy to make economic decisions without political interference. Whether in legal terms or in terms of economic stability, the independence of the Fed has proven resilient over time. Throughout history, U.S. presidents have unsuccessfully tried to pressure or interfere with the central bank's decisions, with the belief that this autonomy is vital for the country's economic health. The story of Richard Nixon and his attempt to influence the Fed in the 1970s serves as a reminder that these disputes are not new, but have always been carefully managed to avoid damage to the institution's credibility. The doubt about Trump's ability to dismiss Powell, therefore, reflects a much broader issue: the separation of powers and the autonomy of public institutions in a democratic system. While the presidency holds power over many matters, the balance that ensures the country's economic stability is precisely what prevents short-term interests from prevailing over long-term needs. If Trump were to try to act unilaterally, the impact could be so great that it would jeopardize the public's confidence in U.S. economic policies. In the end, even though the president has the right to appoint and, in theory, remove a Fed leader, the legal, political, and institutional resistance makes it highly unlikely that he could effectively remove Powell from office. The independence of the Federal Reserve is not only a matter of law but also of principle, and it is this principle that ensures that, in times of economic uncertainty, the central bank's decisions are guided by reason rather than political impulses. And that's the end of today's video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to enable notifications so you never miss a new video. Your support means a lot, and I look forward to sharing more content with you soon. See you next time.